Megan. Welcome back to another Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel. If you're like me, you did not win NaNoWriMo this year. As a matter of fact, you didn't even come close to winning NaNoWriMo this year. And that is 100% okay, because not one word that you wrote this year or last year or when you were 5 years old or when you were in your English class in college was wasted. Every word you've ever written has helped you get better. If you read back a sentence and you're like, oh gee, what was I thinking when I chose that word? Congratulations! You improved your writer's intuition somewhere along the way. If you flip back through your old drafts and see, oh wow, this idea really didn't work for me at that time and I was not prepared to write it, congratulations, you gained writing wisdom. Everything you have written has led you to getting better and better and better and improving more and more. And I hope you're as excited to find out what you'll write next as I am. Happy writing, everyone. Subscribe to our channel and check out our blog if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.